Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update Windows and reboot so system files are current. Once done, capture the exact Visual C++ runtime error text and which program triggers it. That tells you the version to target. Next, temporarily disable third-party antivirus and create a system restore point so you can revert if an installation goes wrong. These steps reduce variables and let you run installers and repair tools without interference while keeping a rollback option in place. Now you perform repairs and clean installs, open programs and features, and attempt the repair option for each listed Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. That often fixes missing DLLs. If repair fails, uninstall the problematic redistributable and reinstall the exact version the error named. After reinstall, run dism to restore the image and then sfc/scano to fix protected system files. Make sure to reboot between major steps to allow service and driver updates to load properly. Finish by reinstalling or repairing the app that threw the runtime error, and test it in a clean boot to isolate background conflicts. Once tested, update graphics drivers, DirectX, and NET runtimes because missing dependencies can mimic C++ runtime faults. If problems persist, gather Event Viewer and application logs to pinpoint failing modules, then use System Restore to revert to the pre-change state or perform a repair install of Windows. One key tip: if errors remain, clean install only after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.